Hello viewers, once again I welcome you on our YouTube channel Learning Maths, and in today's video we are going to discuss a very interesting topic from class 10th, which is from triangles, and in this video we will discuss basic proportionality theorem, BPT. So let us see what is it. Before starting video, this is my request, please watch the video till end, and if you have any doubt then put a comment. Let us start the video. So let us see what is basic proportionality theorem. So you can see the statement of the theorem. This is quite simple. In a triangle, a line drawn parallel to one side divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So you can see in this diagram, in a triangle ABC, this DE drawn parallel to BC, then we need to prove that this AD upon BD is equals to AE upon EC. So you can see it here. In triangle ABC, DE parallel BC, and we need to prove AD upon BD is equals to AE upon EC. So for this we need to do a construction. Draw this line DM perpendicular AC and this EN perpendicular to AD, and join this DC and BE. So this we have done. Now let us see how to prove this. So in triangle ADE, area of ADE is equals to half into base into height. Base is this AD and height is this. So AD into NE, which is perpendicular, base into height, and area of this BDC. BDC is also half into base is this BD, and perpendicular again this NE. Now area AD upon area BDC is equals to half AD into NE upon half BD into NE. So this NE get cancelled, half get cancelled. So we have AD upon BD. Area ADE upon area BDC. You can give it first equation. Similarly, area, once again ADE is equals to half. This time this AE will be base and DM will be perpendicular. AE into D, AE into DM, and area this BEC is equals to half into this base EC and perpendicular with this DM, or dividing both, area ADE upon area BEC is equals to half into AE DM upon half into EC into DM. DM get cancelled, half get cancelled. So we have area ADE upon area BEC is equals to AE upon EC. You can give it second. Now let us see. This is AD upon BDC, AD, BDC, and here AD and BEC. But area BEC is equals to BDC. BDC is equals to area BEC, and what is reason? Triangle on same base, same base this BC, and between same parallel, and between same parallel. ये 9th में आपने पढ़ा होगा, which you have studied in 9th standard. Therefore from first and second, therefore from first and second we have this AE upon EC is equals to AD upon BD. AD upon BD is equals to AE upon EC. This we need to prove, hence proved. So this is quite simple, very easy proof. So you know how to do this. Now let us discuss one more theorem. Now we have the converse of BPT. What is it? If a line divides the two sides of triangle in the same ratio, it must be parallel to the third side. So if this DE divides this AB and AC in same ratio, that means AD upon BD is equals to AE upon AC. This we have given. We need to prove that DE parallel BC. Now let us take that DE is not the parallel and DF is parallel. So we draw another line DF which is parallel to this BC. Now you know from BPT, AD upon BD is equals to AF upon FC by BPT. We have discussed just now, if a line is parallel to one side, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. This we have done here. You can give it first, but AD upon BD is equals to AE upon EC. This is given. Second, now you can see from first and second, this left side is same for both, the right should be same. Therefore AF upon FC is equals to AE upon EC. That means this F and E should coincide, this E and F should coincide, hence DE parallel BC. Hope this is quite simple and it is clear to you all. Now let us see how to do some questions. Now we have question number 1 from exercise 6.2, and this is the diagram of the question, and we have given in this triangle ABC this DE parallel BC. BD is equals to 7.2 cm, A is equals to 1.8 cm, and EC is equals to 5.4 cm. Now we need to find AD. So you know very well from BPT, basic proportionality theorem, in triangles ABC we have AD upon BD is equals to this AE upon EC by BPT, as this line is already DE parallel BC. Therefore, so we'll put AD, BD is 7.2, 7.2 is equals to AE 1.8 upon this EC is 5.4. Now you can just cancel out 18 1s are 18, 18 3s are 54. Therefore AD is equals to 7.2 upon 3. So this comes AD is equals to 3 2s are 6 and 3 4s are 2.4 centimeter. So this will be your answer. So this is quite simple question. Hope you got the solution and how to apply this BPT. Now let us see one more question in which we use the converse of BPT. Let us see how to do that question also. Now you can see this diagram. In this you are given this DE parallel OQ. This DE parallel OQ and DF parallel OR, and we need to prove this QR parallel EF. So this is quite simple. Let us see how to do this. In triangle PQO we have DE parallel QO. Therefore PE upon EQ is equals to PD upon DO by BPD. Equation 1. Similarly, in triangle, this POR, this PD upon DO is equals to PF upon FR by BPD, because you are given already this DF parallel OR. This is second. Now from first and second we have, see this PD upon DO, these are the same, so we have this thing equal. PE upon EQ is equals to PF upon FR. Now you can see PE upon EQ is equals to PF upon FR we have. And what was the converse of midpoint? If a line divides the two sides in the same ratio, then line should be parallel to third side. Therefore, this EF parallel QR by converse of BPD. So likewise you can do these questions. Hope this is clear to you. In the next video we will discuss how to make the two triangles similar, and next theorems are also there. And till then you just keep doing. Hope you understood the things, and if you find the video useful, press like, subscribe my channel and share it to your friends so that they can have the benefit and they can learn maths easily. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.